Hello guys, welcome to Digital Degs. In this video I want to show you guys how to remove the status icon on your files, especially when you've set up your Windows afresh and you've also logged into your Microsoft account, which obviously is a must when you're using Windows 11. So this icon represents a synchronized file or a file yet to be uploaded to OneDrive. So as you can see, this is the OneDrive icon right here, and I'm using my Microsoft account to log in. So you click on the start button and click on settings. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel and share this with other people who might find this helpful as well. Don't forget to like. So after opening your settings, you can see there's a OneDrive icon at the top right hand corner here in the middle that says backed up. So it's actually going to back up all the files with that icon. Whenever you're connected to the internet, it's going to back it up to your OneDrive, which is cloud storage. So you now click on apps. After clicking on apps, you click on installed apps. So after you've clicked on installed apps, we want to find the Microsoft OneDrive app. Okay, here is the Microsoft OneDrive app. You click on this. If you don't have any need to be actually uploading all your files or backing them to cloud, click on install. So you want to completely remove it, so it just doesn't function again. So you click on yes. After you've clicked on yes, it's going to uninstall the Microsoft OneDrive application, which is responsible for all this status icon you see here. So it's okay, it's uninstalling it. The icon has disappeared from here. Okay, so I think we've uninstalled it. Open your files, and as you can see, all the icons are gone. So the driver folder, and as you can see, the status is gone. So this is actually how to fix this. If you've learned something new, ensure you like it and share it with other people who might find it helpful as well. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.